Hello friends, if you are looking for online dating, then Tinder app is the best choice for you because Tinder has many interesting features and now you can add 2 seconds loop video to your Tinder profile. To add your loop video to your Tinder profile, first open the Tinder app on your mobile phone, and after that simply click on person like icon which is located at left hand side. So click on that, and after that click on add media options, and here you can see select source and from my device. So click on my device option, and you can see videos from your gallery. So select any one video or you can record before that, so you can add easily video from here. So select any one video from here, and here you can see trim and crop option for your video. And after your editing complete, so click on next, and here you can see your Tinder profile loop preview. If you're satisfied with that, simply click on done, and here you can see upload in progress, and here you can see success. Your loop has been added success. Loop video is added to my Tinder profile. Thus you can add your loop video to your Tinder profile. And that's it for this video guys. See you in next one.